Hey everybody, this is a special announcement. Season 9 is finally here and we are so excited. We just had a great episode this week on lipids with Dr. Aaron Mikos, and next Monday we are so excited to have back Kidney Boy himself to talk to us all about dialysis. This season is going to be great. We have things we do for no reason and Neph Madness coming up down the pike, alcohol use disorder, and then later this spring we'll be at ACP in April, SGym in May, plus a whole bunch of live shows mixed in. Another thing I wanted to tell you about today is a very exciting opportunity to attend KIDNEYcon 2020. This is the 5th annual KIDNEYcon put on by our friends from NephJC and the Freely Filtered podcast. They put on a great conference with lots of hands-on workshops, plus tons of celebrities from Neph Twitter. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from our good friends Matt Sparks and Samira Farouk.
Hey everyone, I'm Samira Farouk and I'm here today with Matt Sparks. We're both from the Nephrology podcast, Freely Filtered. We're also co-directors of a conference called KIDNEYcon, which is a national conference geared towards medicine residents like you who are interested in nephrology, nephrology fellows, and practicing nephrologists. Matt, can you tell us a little bit about KIDNEYcon? Is it like Comic-Con?
Very similar, but this is all about the kidney. This is the 5th year we've had KIDNEYcon, and it's held in Little Rock, Arkansas, April 16th through the 19th.
What makes KIDNEYcon particularly unique are hands-on workshops that span an entire day. If you attend, you'll be able to participate in 2 of our amazing workshops.
KIDNEYcon 2020 will feature 6 really fun workshops. Our popular acid-based fluids and electrolytes workshop, which is run by Josh Rain from Mount Sinai and the Chief of Nephrology of Kashlak Hospital, Kidney Boy. Since urine is gold, we're thrilled to introduce a new session this year on urine microscopy.
If you're worried about funding to get to the conference, we have several travel awards that will cover both travel and lodging, and applications are due on February 1st. Get your application now and go to kidneycon.org to register. We hope to see you all in Little Rock at KIDNEYcon 2020.